right, boys and girls, are you ready? Don't forget to follow on my mouth when you do the alphabet in phonics with animals and kindergarten words. A is for alligator, And our words are ant and apple. B for badger, Bob, ba, ba, ba. And our words are boy and ball. Next comes C. C for Kathy, cat. Ka, ka, ka. And our words are car and cup. D for Dolly, dog. Da, da, da. Our words are duck, quack, quack, and dad. Da. E is for Eddie, elephant. Eh, eh, eh. Here's a special one. E is for elk, and E is for egg. F. Freddie, falcon. F, f, f. And he makes the word fish and frog. G is for gecko, gill. G, g, g. For G is for goat, and G is for girl. H for henny, horse. H is for hen. Hat has the h sound. I for Iggy, iguana. I, I, I. And I words are insect and igloo. J for jaguar, jack. Ja, ja, ja. And we have juice and jelly. K is for kangaroo, Karen. And he makes a sound ka, ka, ka. You've heard that sound before. K is for kite and for keep. L. L is for Larry, lion. La, la, la. And lemon and lime, as well as a lamb. M. Marty, moose. Ma, ma, ma. Also a monkey and a mouse. A lot of animals. N is for Nicky Numbat. Na, na, na. N is for nose. Do you have a nose on your face? But do you like noodles? O is for Oscar, ostrich. And our words are orange and octopus. P is for penguin, Pete. Pa, pa, pa. And our words are pig and pizza. Who likes pizza? Q. Q is for Queenie, quail. Qua, qua, qua. And our words are quilt. You might have one in your bed. And a queen. R for rabbit, ray. Ruh, ruh, ruh. And our words are rain, not rain, go away, and red. S is for Sammy, snake. S, s, s. And the words are sun and sit. T is for tiger, Tim. T, t, t. Remember, T goes to the top. T for talk. And T for a tall tree. U is for upsy urchin. Don't touch that. Our words are umbrella and up. V is for Vicky, vulture. And we have a vase, or some call it vase, or a van. W is for Willy, walrus. Wah, wah, wah. And his words are water. Drink lots of water. And window. X. Xavier, exposure. And the words are fox and box, because nothing starts with x. Yawai, Yannick, yak. And he makes it sound ya, ya, ya. And his words are yo-yo and yellow. And our last letter, the letter Z. Zebra, Zach, Z, Z, Z. And we have words zoo and zigzag. Having problems? No worries. We have a breakdown of all these words with additional words to help you out. If you need more help, please contact me via personal message.